If you're trying to decide between the Cuisinart Smart Stick hand blender and the GE 500-watt immersion blender, here's a simple side-by-side look at how they compare in everyday use. Starting with build and design. The Cuisinart Smart Stick has a stainless steel shaft with an ergonomic grip and a variable speed dial on top. The GE blender also uses a stainless steel blending arm, but it comes with a larger 500-watt motor and a straightforward 2-speed button setup. Both feel sturdy in the hand, and each blending arm detaches for easy cleaning. Motor and blending performance. Cuisinart uses variable speed control, which gives you more precise adjustment while blending soups, sauces, or smoothies. GE offers two fixed speed options with more power behind each blend, making it great for quick mixing or thicker ingredients. Both handle everyday tasks well, but they approach speed control differently. Included attachments. Cuisinart comes with 3 pieces: the blending arm, a whisk attachment, and a measuring beaker. GE also includes a whisk and a blending jar, so both give you everything you need for multi-purpose mixing right out of the box. Ease of use and cleanup. Both blenders detach with a simple click, and the stainless steel parts rinse clean or go in the dishwasher. The controls on each are straightforward, and both are comfortable to hold during longer blending sessions. Which one fits your kitchen best? Choose the Cuisinart if you prefer variable speed control and a softer, more gradual power ramp. Choose the GE blender if you want a stronger motor, simple 2-speed buttons, and fast blending performance. Both are compact, easy to clean, and versatile for smoothies, soups, sauces, baby food, and more. So the better fit comes down to which control style you prefer.